In this video, I'll show you how you can see who blocked you on Roblox. Now, first what we need to do, guys, is we need to open up a new browser and type in Roblox support. Once you're in here, you're going to click on the first link right there. You should get to this page, or if you don't get to this page, it's because you need to log into your account. Log into your account and this should pop up. From here, you're going to type in your email address. You don't need to type these up here. From here, select whatever device you're using. And in here, you're going to click on Data Privacy Requests. On this one, you're going to click Other Privacy Requests. Now from in here, you're going to type in, "Hey, Roblox support, I wanted to know who blocked me, but I cannot find a button for it. Can you help me?" Type this. And you can also, in data privacy requests, you can also just choose technical support. It doesn't matter. Once you're there, press continue. And you should get an email with whoever blocked you. That's about it, guys.